Hi, Robert Beauchamp for the imaging training. Today we're going to be going over the Whitening Simulator. So when you have a client that is interested in whitening their teeth, which could be part of your new patient exam, you could request if they did want to have whiter teeth or if they've ever tried anything to whiten their teeth. The CADI software has a very realistic whitening simulation module. So you can take an individual like this, and I would recommend using a digital handheld SLR camera to get really nice quality images. We would click on the icon for our whitening / cosmetic simulator. And the whitening tab is automatically the default. If it is not chosen, just click on the whitening tab. You'll click on the box tool, which will allow you to go onto the image, and you'll see that you'll have the cross lines that come up on the screen. And what we want to do is we want to outline the teeth as tightly as possible, but still you want to box in the most lateral part of the mouth, the top part of the centrals, and drag the box around. So left mouse click, hold, and drag the box open around the teeth as tight as possible. Once you right click, you let go of the left mouse and you right click, it will activate this area. Okay. The first pre-scan threshold, if you drag it over, the computer will start to pick the white pixels within the image. So drag it over until the majority of the teeth are chosen, okay? And then you can also minimize or maximize the detection threshold of the sensitivity of this pre-scan threshold. So if it's picking too many of the reflections, you can minimize it a little bit. The whitener will allow you to increase the whiteness of the teeth by a certain shade. So if you click once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, it kind of depends. And you can always go back if you felt like you went a little too far. And then you could minimize the yellow a little bit. So I usually bring down the yellow 2, 3, or 4 clicks. And I might bring up the blue just a tad bit. 1, 2, 3, 4 clicks. And then you can do a finish. And this will now save these changes. Once you've finished and saved, you can split and do a before and after image to show the patient what they would look like with the whiter teeth. So what I like about the software is it doesn't give the results that are too far, and it allows you to control how much shade shift you're going to give them as a expectation. And you can now print this out or save it in the patient's file, and you'll see that, oh, we've done a cosmetic simulation here for whitening, and you can show them. And if you do take a picture with a full face and zoom in and do this, it really has a much better impact when it comes to seeing the full face and how the whiter teeth really bring out the facial features, the eyes, etc. So once you're finished, you can exit, go back to the screen and exit. You can save this now in the patient's file. I normally save it in my photos, and we have next to the smile, you have areas that you can save pictures. You could click right here and save it in that area there, which allows you to now reflect to it when you open up the patient's file. The next time you will see the images here. I hope you found this video helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.